You might be like most people and not truly know how to engage with a conversation with people. I'm your coach, Aaron Hurd. I'm an executive coach at MAPS Coaching, and I'm going to share with you a little success secret. So first things first, what you want to know, and you might choose to write this down, is that numbers are the language of business. And you know what? People like doing business with business people just like you. The faster you can utilize numbers as a part of your conversation, I'll tell you what, my friends, it will change their perception of your ability to be the professional in their minds. Think about this for a second as people ask you questions like, how's the real estate market? And you come up with some answer, which is often a form of, it's great right now. That is a friendly conversation, but it's not a purposeful business conversation. They're not actually eyeballing you saying, yep, this person knows what they're talking about. And look, I coach a lot of people, and this is one of those fundamental exercises that we get to evaluate how good we're at. You might look at your current market data. Find out how many active homes are on the market right now. Specifically, perhaps it's 2,367 active listings in your marketplace. That's great. Know that number. What's another number you might consider knowing is your average list price versus your average sales price. You might find that houses on average are selling at 99.6% of its listed price in your marketplace, or 101% of its average listing price, marketing price is selling price. What's the average days on market? You might know that it's 22 days and it's 30% more days on market this month than it was last month. You see, friends, what will happen is when people ask you how the market is, you'll be geared to explain or ask questions like, well, that really depends. Because, most people right now, when they look at selling their home, they want to know that the inventory, we have 2,137 homes available for sale right now, and we have an average days on market of 22 days. Are you thinking about selling a home, buying a home, or maybe investing in real estate that we need to talk about? Numbers are powerful. They change your relationship from a real estate agent to a real estate professional. Make a decision today, become a pro, know your numbers. I'm your coach, Aaron. See ya.